Mm-hmm. Right, right, right. Did you ever see that that movie, that Money Pit? It's like an old 80s. I love that movie. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. That you fall through the roof and you're stuck. And yeah. Oh, that movie cracks me up. So okay. When are you looking? I don't know if I wrote this down. When are you wanting to start thinking about moving? Okay. Did you resign? Or are you month to month? Um, hmm. Okay. Oh. Uh-huh. Hmm. Right, right. Because it's what, 30, you just have to give 30 days notice on a month to month? Hmm.
Okay, in order to, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, this is the
Oh, okay.
thousands. Around to the nearest tens, this is the tens. If it's 5 or above, you go up to the next number of the tens. If it's 4 and below, it stays the
Okay.
same, 3.
Okay.
So since it's above,
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
that's the tenth.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
That's number one.
Hmm. Hmm. Yep. Yep. Okay. Hmm. Right. Right.
Number two,
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
what is 40% of 250? Set up the
Uh-huh.
math problem. 250 times, you want to convert 40% into a decimal point.
And are you talking about your own kids?
40 over
I don't
100.
even know there's a rule with that. I know there's a rule with like foster kids.
You take your
You take your own
calculator,
kids.
you take your calculator, divide 40 by 100, you get 0.4. Or you can go two ways.
Hmm.
1 decimal point, 2 decimal point, and then so it's 0.40. That's another way to figure it out. So that'll multiply 250 by 40.
They can't. Uh, I don't. I'd have to look at that because my brother and I shared a room for like ever, for like 3 years. Hmm.
Equals 100.
Yeah.
That's the answer for number two. So come over this way to convert to a decimal. Multiply that by the decimal point.
No, the only thing I've heard
And
of is if
250
you
times
do
0.40 is 100.
foster care or adoption. Well, actually, I don't even think it's adoption because they're legally yours and you can, I think, mess them up your own. But like foster care, and also for like Section 8 housing, the number of kids that dictates the number of rooms that you should have. You know, because they don't want like 5 kids in one room. So they're like, you have to have X number of bedrooms for so many people. Um, Now you've piqued my curiosity, so I'm gonna look into that. Just and if I find an answer, I will let you know. But I think when they're your own kids, you can pile them all like Walton style and just. Uh-huh. Right. Who's gonna police?
What is 3/8 written as a percentage?
Like nobody's gonna check. No.
So-
no. Okay, yeah, I'll look into that. I think there's nothing to that, but I'll
First thing you want to do is convert this to a decimal. Divide 3 by 8.
Oh, right. No, I understand. Mm-hmm.
3, 7,
Mm-hmm. That's when
5.
you just tell them mind your business.
This fraction equals this, 0.375 times 100 to convert it to a percentage.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
37.
I'm curious. So yeah, I will look that up for you. And even if
0.5
that's the case, it would not kick in until
is the answer for number 3.
mid-teen, or like pre-teen deal. So I think you would have some time because little babies, that's not gonna. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Right.
4.
Yeah. No, I don't think that's it. But I'll double check to put your mind at ease because if they have proper.
0.7 written
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
as a fraction.
Okay. And that would help too with the conversation with the housing person with
So if you want to convert this to a fraction, you get 7 over 10.
I'm going to take 2 years to meet it, so thank you for your information.
Because these are the
I'll get
tens.
back to you when
So
you
right there,
have
the
to
denominator is a tens.
you know,
7
tell me
tens. So if you
for that
divide
later.
this, you'll get to 0.7. That's your answer.
Yeah, where do you? Okay, you can tell me to mind my business, but where do you do your bank? Like, who's your bank? Okay, PNC has. Wait a minute. Okay, so. Mhm. Okay, PNC Bank has financial literacy training. It's fabulous. I've taken it twice. There is a person, I don't know if this person's still around. I'm gonna send you a picture of this and you can let them know where you got it. And if it's not the right person, then they can definitely help you out. But yes, they do financial literacy. They also do like personal planning, coaching, and then I believe you can also do your housing there too. I'm sure US Bank has it too, because actually I know they do, because we have tried to kind of look at doing a home loan, and they have people at the bank that will work with you because their goal is to keep the money, and they want to be able to get it from you. So they can do like a housing loan with you.
You want to know what divides in both of these.
Okay, so go to PNC.
12/60.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes. So PNC, I do know has this because I took it.
Any number I put here, 1/1, 2/2, still 1. 4/4, still 1. You want to be able to divide equally into both the numerator and denominator. We're going to put divided by 12/12. equals
Mhm.
12 divided by 12 is 1. 60 divided by 12 is 5.
Okay.
That's the
Yeah,
answer.
let me, I wonder, are you guys, is someone home if I wrote, because I have this participant guide from the training I did tonight, where it does talk about like credit scores and all of that, where it's like a pre-test and has all of this information in it. I can just give this to you, if sometime somebody's home and I can just drop it off. I mean, you don't have to. What about next Wednesday? Will somebody be home? Tonight? Okay. Okay. You don't necessarily have to be home if it's something that I can just drop off in an envelope at your door. Oh, yeah, okay, because it's just. Did you, okay. I'm gonna try it.
So the original coat cost is 38. Bring it down to 38
Okay.
times. You want to convert the 20% into a decimal. 0.20 come over 2.
Oh,
Or,
what about tomorrow? I'll be in
or
town
20
tomorrow.
over 100. 38
Okay.
times
Because I have my part-time job is right down the street. I work from home tomorrow.
equals.
Yeah, so I'll just stop by a couple minutes early before I go there, and I'll try to just slide it through the door. And if I'm unsuccessful, then I'll knock on the door and drop it off. No, it'd probably be around like 3.
That's the answer for number 6.
4 o'clock.
$38 times 0.2, 20% off, $7.60. $7.60 off.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I'll just give this to you, and then I'll see if I can. And then if you want, when you go to meet whoever it is at the bank, you can take this with you and say, hey, I knew somebody who took this. This is what I'm interested in, and I guarantee you somebody at the bank will work with you. That will at least talk to you about your financial goals and just let them know, like, hey, I'm looking to buy a house. Yeah, exactly. And what do I have to do to make that happen? And then they'll sit with you. Most likely they'll pull your credit reports, and they're really long, but then they will also, the lady who did it for me went through it and actually highlighted the things that I should pay off right away to work on that would have the most impact on my credit score, so that then once I got that, you get a free credit report once a year from 3 different places, so you can spread it. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, that's fabulous. I do that. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so what is the prime factorization of 36? How many different ways equals 36? 1 times 36. 2 times 18.
Yes.
3 times
because
12.
Also too, with like home loans, like let's say you have like medical bills.
4
usually
times
medical
9.
bills do not impact the loan house.
And of course,
So when people
the
start
opposite.
coming down your medical bills, it's like, well, why? That's just wasting money because it's not going to
6 times 6.
So somebody will sit down there and we'll talk with you, and we'll say, okay, these are your priorities.
What you're looking for
these are the things you should pay off first.
is numbers that you can take a square root of.
Try not. They'll tell you keep your credit cards at X
Like this one right here. Something times itself would equal this.
Open if you don't have any credit cards, then see if you can get like a secured credit card so that then they can start showing that
this 4
responsible.
Can be
and that you
written
know how
as
to use it.
2
Those
square
are the things that person can really talk to you one-on-one
times.
instead of individual.
9 can be written as 3
not just general.
square.
Mhm. Right. So those will each impact your credit score in a different way.
Since
So,
these are
people
both
use
prime
their
numbers,
loans
2 and
as long
3,
as you're,
this is the best
you
answer.
know, current and haven't defaulted, you know, that's good. It shows you're responsible, you're paying on time, blah, blah, blah.
2 squared
So,
equals
these
2
loans
times
may
2.
not, impact you, or they
3
might
squared is
depending
3,
upon how much.
3 times
Like
3.
right now, you said it's in good standing, you know, that might be, okay, you don't have to worry
4
about
and
this,
9.
just worry about this.
Okay.
And, yeah, so
But this is the
I will
answer right
get
there.
this guide to you, look it over, and then I would definitely, probably, I mean, no rush, because, you know, it's whatever your plan is, but definitely use your bank and use the people that work for them to help you. That's usually the best way to start. Yeah, you and me both. I mean, I understand. I'm the same way. So I'll get this to you. When we hang up, I will send you that picture from UC Claremont. It's kind of grainy, so kind of it's up, you know, make a bigger point too. You know, take as much time as you need. Let me know which programs you're interested in, and I will get you more information on each of them. Okay? And then I'll also get your WIOA paperwork so we can start doing that. Cool. All right. Oh, you're very welcome. It was so nice to talk to you. I feel like I miss everybody. So I'm going to look into that WhatsApp. Yeah, right before COVID. Yep. Yep. So I'm definitely going to try to look at that WhatsApp so that I can see people face to face, because I don't really Zoom. Okay, do me. Oh my, no, she's not. Okay, sometime this weekend, do me a favor, take a picture and send it to me. I probably won't even recognize her. Okay, good. Okay, send me one of each, just so I can recognize her next time I see her. I bet you she's huge. So, oh, she's a doll baby. Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm. She's that. Wait, she's that. I'm 5'5". But she's. Oh my goodness.
So we want to look at 138 is the original bike price
Insane.
times bike marked down by 15%. Convert that to a decimal, which is 0.15.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Equals.
Send me a picture. You did. Is she finished or? Oh, is she done? Okay. Uh-huh.
$20, 70 cents off the price. Original price 138.
Mm-hmm.
0.00 minus
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
20.70.
Right. That's normal. Yeah. This. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Which, you know, it is, and especially, I mean, I know 5-year-olds that still have issues. So I mean, you just never know. It will be what she can do and when she's ready, and that's, yeah, no worries with that. Other than the fact that you then have to clean it up, which, you know, comes with the territory. So. Mm-hmm.
So you take the original price minus the $1.20 or 15% off, $20.70. Minus that, And you come with a new price, $117.30.
Okay. You just know. I was saying my brother used to go behind the couch. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's all right. I was saying, is her potty chair in her room? Do you have a potty chair in her room? Okay. I don't know if I'm on, but you might want to put one like in the back, like in her room. If that's where she goes. And you might be like, would it could hurt anything? Just be like, hey, you know what? Here's a potty chair. When you feel like you have to go, you might just. Mm-hmm. Well. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Right. Mm-hmm.
These can be a little tricky. This also can be written like this.
Mm-hmm.
This usually is how it shows up on a test. -4, or -4, -3. See, when you take the brackets away, this positive becomes a negative. So it's just -4, -3.
Right.
So what you do is you put a positive and then put the negative back.
Mm-hmm.
-7.
Mm-hmm. 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 Right, the germs. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
$4 for a bucket of 40 bowls. How much will 100 bowls cost? We got to figure out what the unit cost is. You have 40 bowls
Whole house.
divided
Whole
by
house? Yes. Yes.
10.
Mm-hmm. Ah, yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Mm-hmm. Aw. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Why do I feel? Yes. Mm-hmm.
So $4 divided by 40 balls will give you a unit cost. Sorry, it took me a while to figure that out.
Mm-hmm.
It comes to 10 cents a ball. So then you got another
Right,
problem.
right. I'm surprised you didn't.
How much will 100 balls cost? Well, 100 times
Wow. Okay.
0.10,
Okay.
$10.
That is, I was like, oh my gosh, how did you not take the video?
That's the answer. This is unit cost, $4 divided by number of balls, 40 equals 10 cents a ball. So it wants to know how many balls there are, how many balls will the 100 balls cost.
Mm-hmm.
Well, 100 times 10 cents equals $10.
Right. Mm-hmm. 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 Right. Right. Nope, that makes sense. I understand. Right, right. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Oh, okay. Now my stomach hurts. I'm just laughing. Thank you. I know. Okay. Well, I have some homework to do, so I'm going to get at it in the next couple day or two. Well, definitely as soon as we hang up, I'm gonna send you that list. But yeah, just whenever you get a chance, send me back what you want, and I'll start working on it. All right. You're welcome. Bye, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
-7 plus 10 can be written a lot of different ways. It could be 10, take the negative over here, minus 7. Okay. But in both instances, the answer is going to be 3. You can also do this. Associative property is when you can switch out two numbers. Take the 7 out, put the 5 in. And it'll be the same. You can move A out and put 5 in there, solve that 35, 35A, but this is what he's looking for, 7x, right here.